burst of flavors in your mouth as you bite into this mini stuffed mushrooms. Mixed with crushed cumin seeds, garlic, coriander leaves, and a drizzle of Dijon mustard in the end. Yum! That's what I'm bringing to you today, so keep watching. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diets and building your emotional strength. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. Today I'll be making stuffed mushrooms using the brown mini bella mushroom. So let's get started. First of all, clean the mushrooms really well. Washing the mushrooms makes it mushy, so give it a quick rinse and wipe it clean using a paper towel. You may even use a kitchen towel to wipe the dirt off of the mushrooms. Now take the stems out. See how easily it comes out? But with smaller stems, sometimes the pieces get stuck inside. But you can take it out using a fruit knife. It can come out easily. And make sure that all the pieces are out so we can stuff it really well. Also season the mushroom caps with olive oil, salt and black pepper. Lightly brush them evenly and keep it aside. Don't throw the stems out, it's all good, so finely chop them for the filling. I like it spicy, so I'm adding 2 green chilies, but you may avoid for less heat. I love to use garlic in my cooking. It has great benefits as well. Crushed garlic, cumin seeds, coriander, Dijon mustard. These are the ingredients. You'll find the full recipe in the description below. Heat a heavy bottom pan, drizzle in the olive oil, add in the garlic, green chilies, and give it a quick stir before adding the red onions. I'm using red onion, but you may use white onion if you don't have red onion. In the meantime, I'm also going to roast the cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are so aromatic, it enhances the flavor and has great health benefits too. Roast the cumin seeds under low to medium flame. Once the onion is translucent, add in the chopped mushroom stems. Stir it and cook it really well. Also make sure not to burn the cumin seeds. Keep stirring or keep shaking. Now using a mortar, I'm going to crush and grind the cumin seeds. I can already smell it. It smells so good. It's so aromatic. It enhances the flavor. Add in some salt, crushed black pepper and almond flour. Give it a good mix. Add in chopped coriander leaves. This is done in a couple of minutes. That's how it should look. Taste before filling. Make sure to stuff the mini mushroom caps generously so that you can taste all the ingredients when you bite into these stuffed mini mushrooms. I'm using an air fryer today to cut the time, but you can easily bake these mushrooms for 20 to 25 minutes. After filling the mushroom caps, I'm making the Dijon mustard seasoning. It's very simple. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Drizzle in some olive oil, garlic salt and crushed black pepper. This is for our grand finale, and this is going to kick in that extra flavor in our stuffed mushroom. See how beautiful they look? Always make sure to preheat the air fryer. I'm going to preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes under 400 degree Fahrenheit. Once done, just lightly brush the basket around with some oil. You don't have to do it Since the mushroom caps are already seasoned, pop these beauties one by one inside the basket. Make sure you don't overcrowd it. I'm going to cook it for 8 minutes under 400 degree Fahrenheit. You may cook it for longer if you think the mushrooms are not done. Let's see how it looks. I was so excited that I pulled it so hard. I need to cook it for a couple of more minutes. I think it's done. It's done beautifully. Look at the color. These beauties are perfect. It looks grand. A healthy snack, healthy appetizer, anytime for you. Your kids are going to love it. A great party snack during the festive season, holiday time, or simply entertain your friends. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and drizzle in that Dijon mustard seasoning which we prepared before. What a lovely sight, and it's going to be a lovely bite. Look how soft it turned out. Gorgeous. See how the filling is intact? Yum. It simply melts in my mouth. This is absolutely delicious. You don't need any cheese. The almond flour is perfect. It combines the whole ingredients and the flavors together. So I can taste the roasted cumin, garlic, onion, and coriander leaves. And the drizzle of that mustard, Dijon mustard, is just perfect. You should definitely try this. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you all in my next video with another burst of flavors. Take care and don't forget to shine with Shobs.